Magandang aldaw, kakailyan. We are 2 hours away from Lawag and we are still going north, and I mean properly north. 21 Ilocanas answered the call this year. We met them at the launch at SM City Lawag. We watched them sell their hometowns through the Buy-in MSME Challenge, and today we are going to find out who they really are when nobody's watching. This is the first preliminary. This is Miss Ilocos Norte 2026.
At first, kasi we know that with an event of this scale, it would require madaming manpower, diba? Yung a long time of preparation. Maliit na municipality lang naman kami. We don't have that kind of resources. But we also acknowledge na this is a rare opportunity for us. Na kami nga ada iti tribo and Dumalneg. Na dungo kami kadagiti amin-amin na banag, including detoy daga nga pagnanaedan, which means na we're very protective of it. Pero later on, we came to realize that Dumalneg and especially RROO is simply too beautiful to remain hidden, diba? And yung mga tourist destination dito, the natural beauty of Dumalneg, it should be shared and appreciated by the world. If you're going to ask me, no ana iti ipabalon mi kadagiti 21 nga candidates tayo, I think above all else it would be, I want them to remember, I hope that they will remember the people, the warmth of the community.
Pero kasi yung pagsagot niya, dapat direct to the point. Yes! Yun yung inaral ni Kuya. Simple but terrible. Kuya, may kasunod ako. Hindi po ba nasisira yung mga camera? Hindi nasisira.
Ay, hindi. Ano yan? Water shield yan. Ay, waterproof.
Parang po kami water.
Oo.
Parang kami waterproof.
Everything you are about to watch happened because one municipality opened the gate and handed us the keys. Our thanks to Mayor Francisco Espiritu Jr., Vice Mayor Frances Kwein Garvida Espiritu, and to the Sangguniang Bayan of Dumalneg. Here, the landscape is not the backdrop, it is half the competition.
We are doing the Miss Ilocos Norte photo shoot for their first swimsuit. Our concept for today is about picnic. As you can see from the pattern of the fabric, the Ilocos Norte Tourism Office wanted to promote this picnic site here in Dumalneg, which is the RRO picnic site.
1, 2, 3, go!
This batch is very strong. They are very beautiful. Makikita mong walang tapon, and I'm excited to see their outcome for the shoot.
The wind feels softer this time of year, the kind that carries memories closer. You hear the laughter from the street, and it feels like you never left.
Every laugh, every familiar face, every memory finds its place.
Brings us back, no need to roam. This is the feeling we call home. Footsteps on familiar ground.
for a homecoming? Ilocos Norte, I'm in.
Dumalneg is one of the smallest municipalities in Ilocos Norte. Most people driving the coast could never turn inland to find it, which is exactly why we brought 21 candidates here instead of somewhere easier.
Hi everyone, I'm Mark Bueno, a fitness entrepreneur. I'm the owner of one of the longest running gym in Lawag City, Metroflex Fitness Gym. I'm very passionate about fitness, confidence, and love helping people achieve their best version. And I'm very honored to be part of this year's Miss Ilocos Norte Swimsuit Competition.
Hi everyone, I'm Justine Paula. I'm the administrative head of Ilocos Urban Wave Resort and the co-owner of On the Filipino Kitchen. I am honored to be part of the preliminary competition of this year's Miss Ilocos Norte 2026.
Hi everyone, I'm Jed Raquel. I'm a former OFW in Norway. I have worked there as a nurse for 10 years before returning to the Philippines and venturing into entrepreneurship as the proprietor of 18 Degrees North. I am very honored to be part of the judges today in today's event. Thank you.
This is where beauty meets destination and confidence meets nature. 21 candidates, one preliminary round. Scores carried forward to Coronation Night, the 26th of September. Kakailan, the swimsuit competition is officially on.
I have fallen more times than I can count. I just do not stay down. Napasnek. And for me, being well is not only the body, it is the spirit too. Jensen Leiluban Adams.
Yes to things before I am ready. This is how I learned courage. Nasiglat. Every challenge get the same energy out of me. Carla Shane Nicole Castillo, Bacara.
Everything I have been through made me stronger, and I danced my way through most of it. Confidence, for me, is not shrinking. Naidumduma ang Jaira Tabalbag Francisco Bado.
I do not fit into one version of myself. I write, I make things, I take long walks. Nadungo. I stay strong so I have something left to give the people I love. Dayan Samantha Vera Rubiales, Banggi.
Volleyball taught me how to move. Dance taught me how to mean it. I stopped measuring myself against anybody else a long time ago. Nabilag ni Ilocana, Francesca Irish Cabansag, City of Bataan.
fulfill things for other people. Natulong, so I show up. Helping and sharing for my community and for myself too. Fitting in is the easy part. Being yourself is the powerful part. Kaysa Carmela Mayra Velo Aplage, Burgos!
Unstoppable. That is the word I live by. I sing, I dance, I keep moving. Ilocana Anaayo. I am still becoming the woman I want to be. JV Bianca Andranica Diva Kilar, Kurimao.
I am ambitious and I'm not going to apologize for it. Nasilnag. But, panagkay-kaysa, we all go higher when we carry each other up. Justin Lorraine Calma, Dingra.
This one is home, naandot. I keep going, detours and all. The outdoors is where I come back to myself, and I trust myself, flaws included. Vea Desiree Balatico, Dumalneg.
The gym gave me discipline. Writing gave me clarity. Naranyag, protecting my peace, taught me what I am worth. I take up space now. Zanis Angel Pagatpatan, Lawag City.
Sometimes, moving forwards means nothing. Sitting with yourself for a while, napudno, I would rather be honest than impressive. Cassandra Nicole Estrabella, Marcos.
Hard thing has made me more capable. I swim, I rest, I show up again. Maipagtangsit. I am proud of where I am from the people who made it. Juvigale Watson Agapay, Nueva Era.
Confidence is not the absence of fear. it is standing there anyway. When it gets heavy, I pause. And then I keep going. Natured. Sala joy e bahay, pagudpud.
Strength is not what your body can do. It is finding out you're capable of more than you thought you were. Napursigi. Justine Cyril Orsino, Paway.
How far life can take me. Fitness, to me, is freedom, moving without limits. I keep going even on the days I doubted. Nalibnos ng Ilocana, Jana Isabel Luge, pasukin!
Everything I want is outside the community. Kasari, I do not let fear decide what I am capable. Christine Cesaril Nicolas, Pidi.
I use my voice to serve and to encourage progress. Dani kagit maloong, pinili.
Also means standing up for yourself. I walk, I dance, I keep it balanced without the pressure. Never be afraid to speak up and take space. Napintas. Samantha Flores, San Nicolas.
I was an athlete, competitive armies, nakaradkad. Now, it is the gym and dance. Confidence starts with believing yourself before anybody else does. Syra Noshka Dalamayan, Sara.
I freedive, I train, I take chances. Nagaget. But setbacks are just part of it.
try even when you are scared, especially then. Princess Jerina Aquino, Solsona.
I get back up every single time. Nakirin. I play basketball and one day I want to coach. Break the stereotype for girls in the sport. Princess Ira Blas, Bintar.
From Adams to Vintar, from the mountains to the coastline, from historic communities to progressive cities, they carry the diversity, the heritage, and the enduring spirit of Ilocos Norte. These are the women of the North. These are the official candidates of Miss Ilocos Norte 2026.
Kakailyan, it's raining, but hey, no complaining because we're one prelim done. 21 women came here today not knowing each other but are going home as a group. To our candidates, congratulations! Carry your towns well and make every part count. To the provincial government of Ilocos Norte, to our partners and sponsors, and to the municipality of Dumalneg, agyaman kami. The journey to the crown continues. This is lovely Mamua Demandante. This is Miss Ilocos Norte 2026.
The wind feels softer this time of year, the kind that carries memories closer. You hear the laughter from the street, and it feels like you never left.
Every laugh, every familiar face, every memory finds its place.
Brings us back, no need to roam. This is the feeling we call home. Footsteps on familiar ground, smiles in every town we found. Stories told beneath the sun. In Ilocos Norte, it lives on. Ilocos Norte is home, where the heart will always stay. From the dawn to last day. Every road, every face feels like family, you know. We find our way where love resides. Ilocos Norte, you are home.
Are you in for a homecoming? Ilocos Norte, I'm in.